There's a snowstorm today in Montreal, Canada. That's right, it's our first snowstorm, so check it out. It's white everywhere. I decided to take this moment since I closed my shop. I'm like, you know what, there's not gonna be any clients. I told my employees to go home, enjoy that day. And instead of wasting time, I decided to put this up finally, because I've been wanting to do that for a long time. And I bought so much gear. I bought some amazing tube lights that I want to test out. Check it out. Wallpaper. I've actually never done this. I found this beautiful crocodile style wallpaper. And I'm like, you know, this texture is so beautiful, and I think it would pop on camera. It would look really good, especially when I do my B-rolls. Nice shot. I saw something in my head and I'm trying to see if it's working. I got the adhesive for it, but I think I need way more than this. So far so good. I'm gonna need 6 slabs like this. That's the measurements that I took. I started, and I'm afraid, honestly, I'm not sure how it's gonna come out. I'm not sure if I'm doing the proper things. I've never put this up. I watched some YouTube tutorials, and I think I'm gonna figure it out. Also, when I bought it came out a little gray. I thought it was more black than that. I want something darker, so I'm gonna install the wallpaper first, and then I might paint over it maybe another day. But for now, my goal is to finish this wall today and shoot on it just to see how it looks like. Let's figure this out. All right, let's figure it out. So I gotta open another one because one wasn't enough. And you know what I've learned in life is that you should always buy more than less. But it looks like it's sticking. There's no bubbles. And you might be wondering why there's a computer here and everything. There's a full setup here that I did not film yet on because I'm building it. And that's the setup that's gonna be right here with this beautiful wall. I think the white counter with the black background is gonna give some sort of oomph to the setup. So hopefully it's gonna work out. I cursed myself. There's a little bit of a bubble situation, but I think with this, I'll be able to remove the air that's trapped in between without damaging the actual look of the wallpaper. Hopefully, I don't know. Let's try it out. Actually came out pretty good. What I was afraid of is coming in the morning and it would all be peeled off, but thankfully it's stuck on. It's pretty good. The adhesive worked, and to be honest, it looks really good, and I'm excited to test it. Also, the Godox tube lights that I have to unbox today, test it out, because I'm really excited for those lights. Now, when it comes to this desk right here, I have to move it on this wall. And since I'm alone, I have to remove every article on it and put it back, put everything at its place, and I just have to clean this whole space. It's so dirty. But I gotta do it, so let's get on. There's a little problem. These little things are on the wall. I can't really remove them, and I want to put new set on this wall because I'm going to shoot the B-rolls on the new wall. So should I go on, install the whole set, and then figure out a solution for this? Maybe I'm going to find a canvas right here, or maybe a soundproof tile type of thing. So you know what? It is what it is. We're going to find a solution. You like the setup. Finally done with this one. And of course, there's the ultimate cable management problem that I'm having, because there's so many lights everywhere that I need to figure out a better way, a more productive way, in order for me to attach these wires at some places for the shot to look better so you don't see it, and of course so I don't trip and fall and make the whole place a war zone. I have to make sure that I'm efficient when I shoot, so lights should be exactly at their places, so like that when I shoot I don't have to go and get them, take out the wires, plug them in and all all that crap. There's still the problem with the thermostat over there, which I'm gonna hide with some soundproof panels because the sound here is super echoey and I want to make sure that I shoot my videos with the utmost best sound possible. I just ordered a Sennheiser MK600, I think, and it's coming very soon. Can't wait to use it. It's gonna be a great microphone that I'm gonna put right above my head when I'm shooting my A-rolls. So there's a lot of tweaking and different things that we're gonna do with this one. Stay tuned for more. Before I leave, I want to show you how the B-rolls are gonna look with the new wallpaper that we installed yesterday. To be honest, so far it looks amazing, and with the
Godox lights,
it just gives the wall some life and it pops out, and I can use multiple colors, which is the beauty of those lights. This is why I got 4. For the desk in the back, I also ordered some Philip Hue lights that I'm gonna be using just like I used on the first desk. Anyway, stay tuned, but check out the wall. Honestly, I think it came out pretty damn good. It was a lot of work. It took me about 2 days. Let's see how it looks like when I actually shoot on this wall. Having a black background with texture was something that I was looking forward to. It's something that I saw in my head and I'm like, you know what? Let's make it happen. I feel like it brings some depth to the shots, as well as me sitting a bit further from the wall gives a bunch of depth in the back, and especially with the 2 Godox lights, one that is orange, one that is blue, gives a nice little vibe to the videos. Of course, there's the key light and a bunch of other little lights in the background. So this is what I was going for. I don't know how you feel about it. Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, guys, ciao.